Let's talk about the latest launched Infinix smartphone Note 45G with Halo design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display with 6.78 inches Full HD Plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, approximately 89.8% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 393 ppi pixel density, 1300 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel OIS super zoom camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera, and with 2 megapixel depth camera with dual LED flash. For selfies it has 32 megapixel front camera with dual LED flash, video recording maximum 2K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset, paired with IMG XM8256 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and with 12 GB of extended virtual RAM, and 512 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB of micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.51 by 75.93 by 7.91 mm, and its weight around 185 grams, and the color options vintage green, obsidian black, Titan gold colors too. See in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33 watt super fast charging, 15 watt wireless MagCharge charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with stereo speakers tuned by JBL, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, infrared remote control, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Infinix Note 45G has been priced for 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 12,999 Philippine peso. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Infinix Note 45G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.